Hi everyone, this is Sujit and this is a quick video showing the performance of the Vax Air Reach vacuum cleaner. So I got this vacuum cleaner mainly to clean the carpets in my room. As you can see here, it's got quite a bit of dirt on it, and I did use it just now and I was very impressed with the cleaning performance on carpets. So I thought, why not create a video and share it with everyone. As you can see, there's still a bit of dirt under the bed, so we'll just see how well it performs here. So I'll tilt it back and switch it on. So you can see here it's picked up all the dirt that was visible and it looks pretty clean. So I think it's a very good vacuum cleaner and it's done a very good job in my room. As you can see here, there was quite a bit of dirt and it looks pretty clean now. So that's it. Thanks for watching.